Alright class, so this is how you do the stock project. Now you want to do this on a spreadsheet. So start a spreadsheet looks like this. You're going to start with your total investment. So let's say your total investment is $1,000, and then you're going to pick your 3 companies. So whatever company you want to pick, but make sure they're a publicly traded company. So they must have stocks on Google, on either Yahoo Finance or Google Finance. So let's say for our project over here, we're going to pick Apple, Google, and Walmart. And then for the percentage of investment, let's just suppose we're going to divide them. No, let's do this. Let's say we put 30% in Apple, 30% in Google, and then 40% in Walmart. So remember, whatever you do between your company, the company you pick, they must total equal to 100%. So once you did all 3 percentage, add them up. If equal to 100%, that means you got it right in your numbers. And then to see how much dollar you're gonna invest into each company, use your percentage times your investment, your total investment of $1,000. So for Apple, gonna invest in 300, and then for the next company, do the same thing. So 30% times our $1,000, that's also 300. And the last one will be 40% times 1,000. That's going to be $400. And then this part you need to do research. So go to Yahoo Finance and find out how much is the stock price as of October 14th. So go to Yahoo, and over here we'll have our Yahoo Finance page. So let's open it. Now over here on the left where it says quote lookup, that's what I'm going to use. So type in your company name. So let's do Apple. Here we go. So Apple, and then enter. This is the company finance page. This big number on top, that's the price for the company stock right now. So let's put in 110.44. So 110.44. That's your Apple. And then for Google, let's go back to Yahoo Finance. Go back over here with the enter symbol. Type in Google. Now that will be your first company on the list. So Google price is $650.82. So go back, $650.82. And last one is Walmart. Walmart is the third one on the list. So $16.19. Go back, 16.19. And then next we need to see how many shares you can purchase with the price you want to pay. Now what you're going to do, take your dollar amount divided by the price per share. That give you how many shares you can buy. Okay, so for Apple you can buy about 2.7 shares. For Google you can buy, I think, less than half share, so 0.46 shares. And then for Walmart it will be 400 divided by 60.19, and that's going to be about 6.6 shares. So this, at this point, you finish the project as of today. Now what you need to do at the end of the project, so let's say a month from now, you need to research your stock price to see how much the stock price has changed. So let's just suppose by end of the project, your price for Apple increased to 120, your price for Google increased to 700, and then your price for Walmart increased to $65. So with the new price, we can see how much our end value is. So for the end value, use your number of shares times your new stock price. So for Apple, you're gonna have 325, and for Google, do the same thing. So your number of your number of shares, so 0.4609 times your new stock price at 700, and last one, do the same thing. So 6.645 times the new price of $65 each. So that's your new final value. And then to see how much profit you made, add all together, so the sum of all the 3 numbers over here. So at the end of the project, our total value is going to be $1,080. Now your initial investment was $1,000, so with the new end value of $1,080, that means your profit is $80. Okay, so this is how you do the project. If you have any questions, send me an email.